This is a Meraki MR24, and in this video I'm going to try to use Unlink NAND to program the NAND flash inside. There are screws aside from here, here. After taking them out, you can remove the board. This is the board that's out for the box, and let's remove all those screws. So after board is removed, we can flip it over, and this is the NAND flash. Now the pin 1 is on this side. The Unlink. This is Unlink and NAND with the clip here. Normally we will install the clip this way, and then we clip on like so, but this is the pin 1. So in order to flip over, we will either do this way, which I found is very difficult, or we can flip this upside down. So when doing this, now pin 1 becomes here, and that's aligned here very well. However, for some reason, this chip has been difficult to clip on. So I found it's very difficult to clip on like so. So instead, I'm using a clamp here, which will help me to lock down. Here is the clamp to the chip, as well as connect the Unlink Unlink NAND with the USB. In here we select Meraki MR24 and we can hit detect. We can see we get the AD75 and AD75. Now we go back to the open WRT with the Meraki MR24. We found the flash is this, and as well the flash size is 32 megabyte. So I'm searching the datasheet and I found this datasheet, and you can see there's only manufacturer ID. One is AD and one is 75, which matches our software detection. However, this one does not support the most advanced auto detect, so we have to manually add this to the NAND flash. So first of all, we need to open the notepad, and here is the flash, NAND flash, and you can see AD, it's already defined AD and 76, which is 512, I believe, and this one is 256. So we just need to copy this thing over and make this a 75. Now the name of the flash is this, because 75 is this one. So let's go here and add one in. The size is half the size, which is 32 meg, as well as here is 2060. So now we have defined it properly, and let's exit and restart the app. So now let's detect it, and you will see it's automatically switched to another target because we found this flash, and this flash only is 32 megabyte, and we already have a target that has the same flash size. We automatically select that one. However, we need to make a clone. So let's say I want to make a new target, which is, I believe this is the cable box. And here is the NAND. We call this Meraki MR24. Let's call this flash and exit. So let's exit again and use this one to open the file we just created, which is Meraki here. But this one has called cable box. Of course we are not. So we call router. As well as if you look at the 33, we have a command called GivePower, and if we do not give a power, it will not detect. Let's say we first do not add this line, okay? So now we go here, and then we say we select MR24, and USB is connected. Now you notice the VDD is only 1.81 volt, which we did not give the power, and this way we will not get the proper definition, and the write was not correct. Either we can use this command called give power. This will give power, and now you see the 3.21 volt, or I believe I prefer doing this way. Copy this line, say give power equals 0, 1 from the Meraki MR23. Now let's start again software, and notice the USB is connected, VDD is 3.21. So now we can detect, and let's read the flash. So read the flash, because only 32 megabyte. It's for some reason my USB only give me 800 kilobyte. Sometimes you can get about 1 megabyte read flash. And we finish reading. It's about maybe 41 seconds. Let's do a verification. Just make sure we have a good read. Seem to be good. I see very little issues with the low density NAND flash. This is 32 meg only. I see more issues, not issues like the bit errors in the high density, like 2 megabyte NAND flash or even bigger. So we read once and verify once that now it's okay. Let's save it. Let's save to a flash backup. Okay, now let's erase everything. It should be empty. I just want to make sure like it's empty. If we, it's empty now, let's do a programming, and let's do programming right. The reason we see high speed of write is sometimes when this all FFs we skip the sector, which seem to be faster. Takes about maybe 50 seconds to write. "44 seconds. Let's do a verification. Since Meraki MR24 only has 32 megabyte of NAND flash, and reading and writing using a unique NAND is durable and it not takes a lot of time.